Dear students with RYKBIO YouTube channel, I am your tutor Kamal Makbul. Today our topic is spinal cord. Spinal cord is the continuation of brainstem. What is brainstem? Brainstem is the midbrain, pons and medulla oblongata. These three collectively called brainstem, and the continuation of the brainstem is called spinal cord. Now we'll see the cross section of the spinal cord. In the cross section area, the white matter is the outer region of the spinal cord, and the inner butterfly shaped area is the gray matter. In the gray matter, the interneurons and the motor axon cell bodies are present, where the dorsal root and the ventral root are the nerves which are originating from the spinal cord. In the dorsal root, the sensory axon and the ganglion are present, whereas in the ventral root, motor axons are present. Spinal cord is actually the tubular bundle of nerves, and spinal cord is the continuation of medulla. The length of the spinal cord is about 40 centimeter, and its width is about the width of the thumb, as wide as thumb. Spinal cord starts from the brainstem. What is brainstem? Medulla, pons and midbrain are collectively called brainstem. So the spinal cord originates from the brainstem and ends at the lower back area. Protection. The spinal cord gets its protection from meninges. Meninges are the covering layers of membranes which protect the spinal cord. These also provides nourishment and oxygen to the spinal cord. These meninges also provide some ions to the spinal cord, because these meninges contain blood capillaries which provide nourishment, oxygen and ions to the spinal cord. Vertebral column also provides protection to the spinal cord. The outer region of the spinal cord is white matter, which is the area where myelinated axons are present. The inner region of the spinal cord is gray matter, and it contains cell bodies. Spinal nerves are the nerves which originate from the spinal cord. These all nerves are mixed nerves, and there are 31 pairs of the spinal nerves which originate from the spinal cord. Roots of the spinal nerves. There are two roots of the spinal nerves. First is dorsal root and second is ventral root. Dorsal root contains the sensory axons and a ganglion. See here the dorsal root, where the sensory axon and ganglion is present, and the ventral root where motor axons are present. Now we'll see the functions of the spinal cord. Spinal cord links body parts and brains. It gets stimulus message from the receptors and send them to the brain, and from the brain it gets response message and send them towards the effectors. So it links the body parts and the brains. Spinal cord also acts as a coordinator for simple reflexes. I hope today's video you would have understood and you would have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please subscribe our channel, RYKBIO channel. Like the video, share the video and comment it. God bless you. Take care.